Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's guide, I'll show you how to get a student discount on Emirates Airlines so you can save on flights as a student. Let's get started. Step 1 is to check eligibility. To qualify for Emirates student discount, you must be between 16 and 31 years old, be a full-time student, have a valid student ID or acceptance letter from an accredited institution. Step 2 is to apply the student promo code. Open your browser and go to the Emirates website. On the booking page, enter your travel details, and in the promotional offers field, enter the code STUDENT caps lock. Select your flight from the student's available options. Step 3 is to complete your booking. Enter personal details matching your passport exactly. Provide your payment information and finalize your booking. You'll receive a confirmation email with your student discount applied. Step 4 is to verify your student status. At check-in, you'll need to show one of the following. First is a student ID, second, university acceptance letter. Benefits of Emirates students discount up to 10% off economy and business class fares. Second is to extra baggage allowance. Third, available for free travel for over 250 destinations. Four is to valid for flights booked until March 31, 2025. That's how you can get student discounts on Emirates and enjoy savings on your flights. Use promo code the student at the checkout, verify your student status at check-in, and enjoy up to 10% plus extra baggage allowance. I really hope this helped. If it did, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you into the next one. Thank you for watching.